Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now, so guys, see, basically here in this subject, aircraft stability and control. So if you see here in this, we have a two words. What is that? Stability. Okay, stability and control. So this stability and control basically divided in two parts. It is divided in two parts. One is obviously stability, another is control. Another is control. And stability and control are collectively referred as a flight mechanics. Okay, this stability and control, both once you collectively, if you refer, then it is called flight mechanics. So in stability, again, we have a two parts. Listen carefully. Okay, again, this stability is what basically divided in two parts. That is static and dynamic. Okay, and dynamic. Then again, this static is what? Again, this static is what? Divided in three parts. This static is what? Again, divided in three parts called longitudinal, called longitudinal, next directional, and lateral. Okay. Similarly, here all this control also, if you this control also if you divide, then it is two parts basically static and dynamic. In this again, that static is also divided in three parts called longitudinal, directional, and lateral. Okay, try to connect this. It's very interesting subject. Okay, it's very interesting subject. You will able to understand the whole mechanics of the aircraft. I mean, the control and stability, that is the fundamental. Okay, that is the fundamental of flight mechanics. All right, and here if you check, I have segregated all step by step. Stability and control, both I have segregated. So now one by one we'll talk. In case of stability, like static, we have three. That is, again I will write this static. Here we have three, in which we have a longitudinal, we have a directional, we have lateral. Okay. Again, I will define this longitudinal in few steps, which is nothing but number one criteria. Second is moment about CZ. Second is moment about CZ. This is the part of the longitudinal. Okay. Third is equation of stability and neutral point, then static margin. This is about what? This is about the stability. This is about stability. Here, this part. See, this part is stability. So again, from stability, this longitudinal is what? Again, expanded here. Similarly, in control also. Similarly, in control also, it will be expanded. And when it will be expanded, then what you will get in control? What is the part in control here we have? If you check in control, we have longitudinal. So this longitudinal again, in control, basically we have a static. Then static is what again defined longitudinal, directional, and lateral. So I will write here in control we have a static, and this static we have this three basically: longitudinal, then directional, and then lateral. Again in control also, this longitudinal, again it will be defined with various points, called concept of trim, elevator. What is elevator? I will tell you. Elevator, deflection to trim, elevator deflection to trim. Okay, elevator deflection to trim. Then elevator hinge moment, elevator hinge moment. Okay, hinge moment. Here you can write elevator hinge moment. And last is stick fixed and stick free stability. This is the whole thing.